In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix failed to connect error on Telegram app. If you're being told, sorry, you cannot call so-and-so because of their privacy setting, you can ask them to modify their settings to call you instead. Then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. From the error, as you can see, most likely it is the person whom you are calling that has modified their settings to prevent anyone from calling, and they're the ones who can only call you. For that, you can ask them to modify the settings, but if that does not fix your problem, then check and see that you're not using any VPN app on your phone. This might be the reason you are also experiencing this. So if you have any recently installed VPN app or security app on your phone, fix this and now calls should be able to go through. However, if this does not fix your problem and the other person hasn't prevented calls from their end, then you want to troubleshoot your Telegram app. To do this, go to your phone and look for Settings app. And from settings, scroll down to apps. Then look for manage apps or all apps option. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for Telegram, and here it is. And then go to force stop app to stop any background activity that might be causing this. Then go to clear data and clear cache and OK, and then restart your smartphone. And now if you open your Telegram app, everything should be up and running. You should be able now to place your calls. However, at this point, if you still can't place or make calls, then check in and see if we have any update or any new version of your Telegram app. For that, just go to Google Play Store if you're on Android like me, or App Store if you're on iPhone. Here, search for your Telegram app and update it to the latest version. By doing this, now you should have the latest version of Telegram and you should be able to connect with your friend via calls. So let me know which of this was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.